see the stars align. A night like this can never rewind. Can you hear the wolf cry out to the light? A night like this and never shine so bright. Take a couple steps back as you hear me start to howl. Take a couple steps back when I lose all control. Watch me turn into a werewolf, and I will hold till the break of dawn. Don't you dare to try to stop me. This is the
Ladies and gentlemen, here I am back again. Stream number 2 on this beautiful Wednesday evening, night, or what it might be for you. Yes, you might have seen how I was looking at the lights and they were suddenly turning off. Well, there was a little blackout here, and now we are back. It was a funny thing. It was an unusual blackout, I would say, as well, because it started with the lights getting brighter and then suddenly whoop. But where we have been, we were talking to GamesMike, but I'm not sure if he is back with us. Any case, I think we shall simply continue. And what we had that was what we had was basically a little bit of a problem. Okay. So we had this thing here. We have now the 11.2, which you can't see at the moment, but I'm gonna show it soon. So what do we have? Oh, there's a little bit too bright here. So I started to implement all the things that we have now with the new system, but this is what we got, right? This is what we got. By the way, also this feels a little bit too bright or something. Okay. So the first thing I don't like is that it sends us back into the profile, which is which is not so cool. I think. So we're looking for this.
Official Gambling Academy is now following.
Thank you very much, Official Gambling Academy. Thanks very much for the follow. Great to have you with us. That is a very interesting name. It's a very interesting name. So you are into game development and something development? Am I assuming right? What is happening here actually? Okay, that is strange. So I'm trying to think. How shall we do it? How would it be better? So at the moment, after clicking on connect Twitch in the backend, it is getting us to something that is not working. It's asking us to leave the site. Then the pop-up shows up. Why can I not copy then? Twitch has no control over the content of Twitch token generator? Wait, why is it wrong? That is the wrong thing. Maybe that is the problem. Yeah, that is wrong again. What is happening here, friends? Now I see that is wrong again. Stream Hub. So we have to set up the new URL and the Twitch developer thing. And this is what is not working. New secret. Client ID. Okay. One more time, saving this. Official Gaming Academy, hello there. I'm streaming too right now, check it out. Are you literally doing advertisement on my channel for your channel? Is that literally what you did there? What you did there? Because if so, you know that usually people are belling for that. Friends, we have a boogeyman in our chat. Friends, we have a boogeyman in our chat. So I do wonder. Man, now I'm not sure if that actually worked. That is also strange. That is very, very strange, friends. Extensions, applications. Oh, friends, this time it looked better actually. Connected as together better. Okay, that looks good. Missing message or what? Missing message or channel. Missing message or channel. After successfully connected to my Twitch account, WordPress WordPress backend profile settings show better when trying to send now a message. A pop-up above the send button shows, what was it? Twitch missing. Twitch missing. It's possible to make message or channel. Message or channel. Let's copy that. The issue is that this shortcode needs to know which channel to send to. The issue is that the shortcode needs to know which channel to send to. Let me fix this. But wait, the real issue is you need to specify the channel in the shortcode. The shortcode needs to tell the plugin which switch channel to send to. Update the shortcode in your page. That is stupid. Oh my god. But we have different users now. And for every user, the same shortcode has to be used. Otherwise, I cannot show it on the WordPress side. For different users. So let's every user should be able to send just to his channels. To be more precise, just after a word precise. User comes to my site, comes to the WordPress sites, clicks on stream menu, If he is logged in, then all his logged in, then his unique Stream Hub has to show up with only his connected channels. If not log in, user has to log in. Maybe it's getting clearer, something like that. Friends, we have a gibble. What is a gibble? This looks awful. Now simplify the JavaScript, no need to pass channels anymore. Ugh. No one caught it. Okay, user visits the site, clicks stream menu. If not logged in, shows login to send messages. After login, redirects back to the back page. If logged in but not connected, shows connection status. Connect your accounts button takes them to profile. If logged in and connected, the user sees the compose bar. Target drop-down shows only their connected platforms. When they send it, goes to their own channels. Which channel automatically their username stored when connecting YouTube video. User enters in their profile since it changes per stream. Kick channel, their username entered when passing token. No showed good parameters needed, just stream hub anonym. on any page. Each user sends their own channel. Each user sends to their own channels, not a shared one. Yes. User setup flow. Connect channel number. Channel's name is stored automatically. This is a little bit problematic with YouTube. Then paste their current video ID and profile. Connect kick. That's it. Let's download it. Any case, let's download it. 5 multi-user own channels. I think they should call like that. We're downloading it. So the download is ready. Extract all. Extract. Let's package the new thing. Compress zip file. We have the new file. Okay. So now I'm going to delete the current version. I wonder if the settings will stay. Stream, deactivate the Stream Hub app. Let's delete it as well. Let's do here clear cache for me and also update the page. Okay, so the plugin is gone. My beautiful WordPress plugin. What would I do without the plugin? What would I do without the WordPress plugin, friends? Okay, let's install the new version. Activate plugin. Activate the new plugin. So the new plugin is activated, and now let's go to profile. It appears like we're still connected, which is very, very cool. If that is going to work, that would be cool. So it should show up again. Merguez writes, "Hey pro senior developer WordPress plugin Viber streamer." My friend. Salut, ça va? Salut, ça va, my friend. How are you doing? Great to see you. Yes, well, I'm definitely the best. I think maybe you can't argue with this fact. I'm most probably the best pro Vibe code stream developer who is using that for a WordPress plugin. Can you argue with that? You cannot. Can you? Who else is doing such crazy stuff? You cannot argue with that. Hi. Your Twitch channel not set. What do you mean it's not set? Also the supply button, man. Your Twitch channel not set. What was? Reconnect your account. Oh no, man. Do we have to reconnect every time? That would be awful. Oh no. That would be awful. Why do we have to reconnect? Megastress, yes, it's like making a bike with square wheels that makes you very unique in some way. Oh man. Oh, that is good. I like it. I like it, my friend. I like it how you're dissing me all the time. Just because I'm such a great WordPress plugin creator. Like it. I do like it. Wait, what happened there? What was that? Connected? Simply worked? Don't believe you. Oh my god, it worked. But I can't see the chat. Oh man. Yeah, but you do like my square wheels, don't you? Wasn't it great, the person we met yesterday? Cool, right? Cool person. Cool streamer. It's definitely more pro developer than I am, that's for sure. It was very nice to meet him, right? Okay, I don't understand why we don't see the chat now. Oh, okay, we're getting back here. That is very strange. It appears like Merges after those words simply had to go. After all the good words he found for my skills, simply had to go. This is how life goes. It works to send messages to Twitch, but we do not see a chat at all in our app, in our Stream Hub. So the message arrives in the Twitch chat itself. But of course, we do need all the... But of course, we still do need all the... Still need... But of course, we still need... Have you ever used developer tools with... Yeah, of course. Of course, this is something I do regularly need to do. Of course. We had already a lot of mistakes, which we were able just to fix by doing these things. Giving at least the error messages, yes. So thanks. Is it again a diss? Are you trying to shame me again? Stream Hub. Also, I do not see any connection to the stream elements activity feed anymore. Yeah. I guess that's because in developer tools, you should be able to see the WebSocket message and API request to send messages to Twitch. But my friend, we do send the message. The problem is now that we don't, that we do not have any chat box basically. This is not a mistake of sending it, but he just put the whole system with the chat box away. You're right. I focused so much on the multi-user that I completely removed the chat reading functionality. You see, that's what I meant. I already saw that he just removed everything. So it is not the problem of the API. Does the WebSocket get the message and doesn't write it in HTML? No. Claude totally put the functionality of receiving and reading the chat. It's gone. He put it away. That's the problem. It is not broken. Claude said it himself. He removed completely the chat reading functionality. Look. You're right. I focused so much on the user authentication that I completely removed the chat reading. Yeah, Claude. This time it's Claude, it's not me. So this time it's really Claude. Jean-Claude Van Damme. My friend, have you been here, by the way, when my electricity suddenly went off? I was like sitting here, looking up, seeing that my lights are getting brighter first, and I was thinking, what is happening there? And then, whoop, no electricity. Total blackout. Wait, why was Claude's response interrupted? What is happening? Oh no, that is always bad. And we have a Paras in our chat, friends. So my friend, sorry, I did not continue playing your game, by the way. Did not have much time for that, unfortunately. So how did you like the yesterday raid? Cool person, right? Or you don't want to talk about him? It was Derek, I think it's called. His name was. Good. Derek, right? And you were also able to talk about your project. That was cool. Somehow my PC is working very slowly today on my notebook. So I guess, my friend, what are your current projects you're working on most? Are you trying to make actually advertisement for your Docker? Laravel Docker? Is that most what you're doing? Laravel Docker, yeah. Laravel, Dockervel. Or are you working on other projects more meanwhile? Now I need to completely rewrite the JavaScript to include chat reading. This is a big file. Let me create it from scratch with all the chat connectors. What? Is this little streaming hub more complicated than our habits tracker? Somewhat surprising. My guess friend's not making too much ad about it. It's open source and not getting me any revenue, so lol. What about simply placing at least advertisement on the page, or like Google Ads or something? Is that contradictory to open source? I don't think so, is it? Team. It's not, but I don't feel like spending too much for no potential revenue. What do you mean by spending too much? Too much time? Because I meant putting Google ads on your page. That's what I meant. So that you are getting money for people who are at least, oh my god, we have used Claude too much. I don't get much visits for now, I think. You think so? Do you know, by the way, is there a possibility to do maybe something similar like on Android apps, where you like literally before you see something that you need, you see advertisement like a video clip or something? Do you know if that is possible with Google Ads, for example? Or do they just have for desktop the banners and nothing else? And YouTube, of course. But it's not a question, right? Multi-user chat back. Okay, so let's try to get the new version on it. Plugins. But I think I could do that Streamer Hub project in very few time with Dockervel lol. Do you want to get me on Dockervel? I think, obviously, I think you would be a lot faster than I am. Absolutely, I think you could write it yourself without using Claude, right? What is happening? That's very strange. What is happening? Why does Vivaldi want me to... That was very strange. I guess right, I would use Claude and get it all done in an hour or so. Yes, I am sure you would. Interesting that you're flexing like that. I'm surprised a little bit. I'm surprised a little bit. Okay. You said I would do it without Claude, saying I would not use my brain. It's not really flexing. You said I would do it without Claude, saying... Yeah, but you are flexing with the time that you would... Even though I am not using my brain, you would still do it a lot faster than I am doing it. That's what I meant. And I even said that you would be able to do that probably even faster without Claude than I am doing it with Claude. That's what I meant as well. I guess right, but maybe that would be interesting to see how I would that. How I would do that, for sure. For sure. Alright, friends, so let's see. Let's see what we can see. Okay, unified chat, Twitch. Hi. Oh, we can see at least already chat messages. And we can write. Very good. And we can write. So now we can try the same for Kick, for YouTube. YouTube though is a little bit strange, because for YouTube we are, at the moment we would need always to copy the latest broadcast, which is a little bit weird, not very user friendly. That would be not very user friendly to get all the time the YouTube. Polling for full implementation can add it if needed. What does he mean with that? So can you do that actually or not? Streamer and Socket.io connection shows follow subs. Wait, do we have that at the moment again or not? I wonder. Stream elements. Actually, this should be there, but I have to reconnect it. Okay. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Account. We need this. And we need the token. And we need this. in order to connect that. So what are you working then on at the moment, Merges, if I may ask? What is your current most important project? Oh yes, we have the activity back, waiting for events. Not working much at the moment. Project is go to eat soon. Then bon appetit. Bon appetit, my friend. So friends, look at this. We probably have even the stream elements messages. How can we try to see that? If that is really working. Replay activity maybe?
Official Gambling Academy is now following.
Some great advertisement. No, we can't see it like that. What can we trigger? What can we trigger for that? Probably maybe something like a new follow.
Stream Elements is now following.
Oh yeah, is that the message? Stream Elements? That looks a little bit strange. Let's do another one. Oh yeah, but it works. Wow, look at this. It looks even very cool.
Stream Elements just subscribed.
That even looks cool. Okay, so we have Twitch activity, Stream Elements activity. And also we have a Pokemon in our chat, which is a wild Venipede. Whatever that is. A big bug. A big bug. Pocket catch. Okay, that is working. The pocket that is working, right? So I think we should try to connect it to Kick, right? And to YouTube is going to be sketchy, as I said. I think that is probably going to be the most difficult to do it a little bit more smooth. What do you think, friends? So let me try to connect it to Kick. For that we need to go to Kick Developer. We have to create an app. Oh man, we have to do a two-factor verification first. Alright. Let's try to do that. Games Mike, welcome back, Brat Edinini, my friend. It's so great that you're still with us. The crazy thing, I'm not sure if you've seen that. I was looking up because I realized that the light is starting to glow even more than usual. And then suddenly, boom, light goes on. Light goes off. Oh, Delric! Hello, my friend! Delric, better to be together! Man, my friend, so good to see you. How are you doing? And welcome. Thanks so much for the follow, by the way, as well. Delric, do you know what crazy thing I'm doing? I think Merges is definitely gonna laugh at me again. What up, good? So good to see you, my friend. Look at this. I am doing a WordPress plugin which is showing me all the things that are happening, like from all the channels I have, right? I'm not just on Twitch, but on other channels. Pro WordPress. Oh my god, now my guest starting again. Look at this, Derek is already laughing from all his heart. I'm happy that I'm making you happy at least. So, yeah, no, I'm serious here. I'm a serious developer, senior developer. Why laughing? Yeah, exactly. So, so it's basically combining all the channels together because I had problems with apps that I was using. First of all, I wasn't able to have them simply on phone and on other devices at the same time, and that was one of the big problems. And also, it sometimes did not show me some messages. And as well, which is very cool, I hope to get like the Stream Elements activity and so on also into one place. So this is the thing. I'm not sure if you are streaming on other platforms than Twitch. So yeah, I thought maybe that can be handy. I should be and will be. And now you have the possibility to have an app which you don't have to do yourself. And you would do it probably in 2 minutes, but and you could do a race with more guests who would be faster, but yeah. Yeah, that would be handy for sure, right? Yeah, as I said, there are other apps, but you have to download them, and somehow they do strange things, and so this is why I wanted to have it simply online. So yeah. So, but you are planning to do that, right? It's quite easy to do with Stream Elements. I'm not sure if you're using that for streaming, because there you have the possibility to simply connect your other accounts and start the streaming. And it's basically using most of all just the bandwidth of your connection, and not so much the computer itself, like the computer power. But Eric, please tell me, how is your MMORPG doing? Are you going to stream today as well, if I may ask? Together better. I still did not put, by the way, your song, you have to get a better song into the intro. I have to do it. Yeah, I'm about 5 hours into. Oh wait, you are streaming? Really? You are already streaming, and you're messaging with me. Wow, that's very kind of you, actually. Man, that's good to hear. That's so good to hear. I think thanks so much, actually. Thanks so much. So it's very good to see you. We were talking with my guest as well today, so it was very a pleasure to meet you yesterday. It was very cool. And I hope you don't have your headache today. So I hope your stream is also easier to do. Yeah, same. Pleasure is all mine. Yeah, after all the nostalgia you gave us yesterday. Yeah, so Gamesmike, I'm not sure if you're with us, but we even saw one of the first Game Boys. I think you had the Game Boy color Game Boy. It wasn't? No, it's not the color Game Boy. It was the black and white, not the green and white. I think it's the version 2, right? Oh, it was Game Boy Color, really? It wasn't so easy to see on stream. So it's already version 3 after the first Game Boy, then Game Boy Advance or something, and then the Game Boy Color. I had that like 25 years ago, yeah, right? Me too. I still have, as I said, the first one, but I'm at the moment in Georgia, the country, not the state, and like the Game Boy is somewhere in Germany when, so I can't show it to you. No nostalgia for me, unless you like Tesla bolts. So there's a little bit of nostalgia as well. Yeah. So I think this works already not so bad. I wanted to connect. Tesla bolts are cool, of course. You nomading in Georgia? Yeah, more or less. I married here my wife. Who else would I have married? But yeah, just a few months ago, and probably we soon going to Kazakhstan. So it's yeah, exactly. Who else would I marry? Thanks. Thanks so much. By the way, I'm not sure if you are married. I know you have a child, but maybe you're not married. So congrats as well if you're married. But it's also not my first marriage, so that's another story. I have been engaged for like 3 years with the current fiance, if it's right to say, right? Yes, the mother. This sounds a little bit interesting. Wait, what happened there? I don't see the message. Yes, here. Oh no, why? Why is that happening? Friends, what is this? I can see the message in the other app. Between the mother and this. Yeah, Derek, you are beta testing right away here. Probably you need to check the variable tools to understand that kind of issue. Metagas, stop the shaming. I know that there are such tools. And I am using them. Oh man. But can you tell me where do I have to look? Where exactly do I have to look? Derek, thanks so much. Oh no, so we have problems, friends. A network tab under WebSocket connection. Okay. Yeah, but I have to find the issue then. We have to do the issue one more time then. That's not happening at the moment. Or just ask AI to fix the job. Yeah, but my AI wants to sleep till 4 a.m. in the morning. So Claude is sleeping already. Claude is sleeping. My Claude is sleeping. He's probably working for you guys, but for me he is in bedtime. Yeah, but I already thought that something like that could happen. That maybe they're like little like desyncs or something. And I was already thinking that it would be a neat solution if after strange things are happening, he's like trying to rescan maybe the chat. So that would be maybe something, but also I'm not sure if that is possible at all. But I'm also not sure if that is possible at all. And friends, please, before I forgot, friends, big shout out to Derek, everyone who wasn't here. I cannot write here anymore. Wait, is simply my keyboard not working anymore suddenly? I don't know why, but my keyboard is not working. Shout out to Delric. I hope I'm writing that right. Please, a very cool person, and definitely a very much better developer in anything, probably. And a special... Oh, wait, this did not work. Interesting. So the shoutout messages are not working. No, wait. Or did it work? Did it work? No. I can't see it, that's why I'm confused. So Games Mike also, please shout out. So another thing that we found with the help of Delric, which is not working, it's the shout out function. Okay, interesting. Why is that not working? Which shout out not working? I assume all the messages with the slash are not working. Slash mesh. Just a memo for myself. Smash. There regrets perhaps any functions fail, special chars get stripped. Yeah, maybe. I will ask Claude at some point. Because at the moment I'm just trying to notice everything that is not working. But I think it has to do that he doesn't like... Claude will know, yeah. But he is sleeping, as I said. Let Claude sleep. At least he has some rest in my chat. Slash messages, maybe also the... Ask Claude to check everything that's not working and don't do it yourself. Special characters. Special characters. Also, friends, we have a Getodal. A Keto... What is this god in heaven? What is this thing? It's a flying balloon with... Oh yeah, of course my keyboard is not working. How could I forget about that? Oh man, Delric, you come and do chat and everything is not... What is this Pokemon? Oh wait, but the Pocket Catch thing is working, so it is just with the slash. I'm just realizing, because the Pocket Catch thing is working. Yeah. So maybe, like the PHP file doesn't like to send slashes or something like that, right? Maybe. Might be. What else? What else, friends? So I would like to try to connect it to the other platform, which starts with K and ends with K. Wait, I did it. Didn't I activate it? I did. That's funny. The site is working perfectly on their behalf. Oh, create a new app. Yes. We are now officially creating apps on every streaming platform, friends. Application name: Together Better Stream Hub. Oh, it even needs a description. Wow. Possibility to see a combined chat of several. How is several written? With A? It's not. I'm kidding. I mean, there is an A, but several channels. Redirect URL. What is that? Your app. Oh, and here's the webhook. Okay. So we have the webhook here. Somewhere. Boing boing. We have it here. Redirect URL. What does it mean by redirect URL? Wait, no, the redirect URL is what we need, but we don't need the webhook, I think. Maybe that's wrong. Try learning by doing. Update read user information, read stream key, read channel information. We need, first of all, write to chat feed. I think that's the most thing. Read chat, feed, follow, subscribe, gifts. Yeah. That's the most important thing at the moment. Or do we need more? Let's take a look if we need maybe more. So kick. User must manually add the token. Connect buttons, authorize app platform, they redirect back. Yeah, so it should work with that. I hope. App created, so we have a client ID. We are now officially developers on at least 2 channels, 2 streaming platforms. Isn't that a milestone? I think it is. Also, I would like to do then bots which are doing like the thing that Stream Elements is not doing at the moment, and I don't know why. Like giveaways for all chats and so on. It doesn't make sense why they are not doing that. To me, at least. Actually, I'm doing now Stream Elements work here, right? So basically Stream Elements developer. Okay, user profiles. Paste your kick access token. Wait, access token. Is the access token the client ID or the client secret? Oh, I'm confused. I'm a bit confused. To get it better. I think Claude might not know that the Kick has a authentication now. I think that's something that they did not know. Because Claude is always like 2 years late. Usually. Or like 2 years at least. So it tells me that it is connected as Together Better, but I doubt that a little bit. And of course my keyboard is still not working, and I don't know, I don't even why. I don't even know why. Shows me that it is connected, but it's obviously not. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's save that. What do you think, friends? Is it gonna work with the green platform, with the Hulk platform? So let's update, refresh the site. Okay, this looks green as the Hulk. Waiting for events, that's okay. Let's try this. Hello? User is not authenticated. Yeah, because I think that is something different. Because we should have had the possibility to authenticate. But we did not have, right? Okay, so something is weird. I think that's not totally implemented yet. I think that is not totally implemented yet, friends. Though it is saying that is connected. That is a bit strange. Kick does not offer authentication. Oh, authentication. User must manually add the tokens. But I think exactly that is the wrong thing, the wrong approach. Alright, friends, any case, that was a good run. So let's run a little bit to another place, probably. Because it's getting already late at my place. We are, of course, going to continue tomorrow. At least as happy as today. Let's choose someone good. Someone good who we can rate. Derek, thanks so much. So you are streaming still, right? So maybe if you like some people from our chat, then we can go to you if you like. Yes, friend, let's go. Let's go to Derek. Then you can see the great person and great developer. Every day we see Derek. Yeah. From now on, every day.
We the teacher is now following.
Thanks so much for the follower. We teacher. We the teacher. Cool name, by the way. Cool name. Every day we see Derek. So we're gonna rate him. Thanks very much for staying here. Enjoying the music. Having some vibes. And I wish you all a beautiful time. We the teacher till tomorrow, same time, but minus 4 hours because otherwise I'm gonna fall asleep again. Alright friends, bye bye, take care, till the next time.